Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know what it's all about. Jamaican Farmers Hut is on the scene again once more.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
We show you how we prepare the soil for planting. Okay? And okay, we show you how we prepare the soil for planting and how we row the field to prepare the sweet potato. Alright? So yes, my viewers, as you can see, yeah, it is time now for planting. So as you can see, we are planting potato slip on the bank. Yeah, as you can see, we have the man of the moment, the man who have the speed, the man who have the skill. Yes, I don't want to stop him on his work, but this man is very talented when it comes to planting potato. Alright, so yes, my viewers, you don't know. So boss, you want to go on?
Yeah, I know.
So, how are your name again?
Mr. Brown. No?
I'm Mr. Brown. What you mean,
Yeah.
Sir Brown? Alright, Sir Brown in the farm, Yeah?
Eating.
Yes, man, I don't know. It's all about planting the potato slip. Yeah? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Catch what I go on? Yeah? Yes, man.
Broke, you know?
Mr. Brown, him bad like yes!
Just one there.
Yes, I. Yes, I. Watch it. He run out, Him bad like a gas. And start the next line. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, it's all about. Yeah. Yeah, we try to show you how we prepare the soil and then we row it for planting. So now is the planting time, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about farming. It's a farming revolution, alright? Yeah, Mr. Brown is on it. Fast like bullet.
Right now, 5 feet 2.
Yeah, 5 feet 2. What's him a going,
It's now 6 now, you understand?
Okay, Mr. Brown.
Yeah.
You are 6 feet 2. What you going? Oh God. And what you say?
Wait!
Alright.
Hey! Which man? No, dude!
Yeah, Mr. Brown, bad like yes.
Chop off!
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I downgrade me! Hey.
Alright. Going up the line to check out Sir Livingston and alright. So the competition kinda sticky. Yes, Mike, you're upon it.
Yes, my general.
Yeah, man. It's all about planting sweet potato.
What am I tell you?
Yeah. What you mean, man? For real.
Yeah, man, you can't catch a real catching shot.
I- I shot that.
Yeah. Can't catch a real catching shot.
Alright, man. What you mean?
Yeah. That one there, a fast car.
Yeah, man, a
But
fast
you soon burn
car.
out, you know.
You soon burn out,
Yeah,
man.
you soon burn out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You can't palm me sand this so far, I go and plant some potato, because you know, say, that's all about
They got some,
crop,
man.
you know, 'cause I don't know how fast this thing going on our potato, you know.
Yeah, for real.
Right now, man, want potato like nothing. I
Oh,
can't get
my
it.
word.
Yeah, so me I tell you, you go and do a thing, you know.
For real, man.
For real, man.
For real, man.
So,
You mean, man. So with the on the planting line.
Yeah, plant.
Yeah. Plant.
Plant, you can't reap.
Can't reap if you no plant.
Alright, so we have to just do some planting.
For real, man. I go check shirts. So what shirt I go on with?
Shirt is burn out.
Shirt, what happened to your shirt?
Burn out, man, I burn out.
You burn out?
Yeah. Them too fast, guy, I'm gonna got them. Can't do that on one side, on 1 foot. You can't go no further.
Alright, sir. Take time do your thing, young man, who say the plant, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, for real.
Boy, blue shirt, man, I red shirt, man, they have orange shirt, man, weak. That's right, man.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know what it's all about. So them 1 year will come out, what show here, so what happened to them?
Them good, man.
Ah, you see, them show out of the bank.
I fast, man, them, you know?
Oh, the part, oh!
You don't catch no way to me yet, chopper. Don't
Fast car. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Oh,
you know what we mean? Man, if you work on the boot, on the farm, and I'll be a foot, no brother. You don't support that something. Can't manage your
that's why I'm
water
fast, you know.
The water boot swell up my ankle, you understand?
For real, man.
I'm move so fast, I don't know shoes.
Real Mr. Brown. Yeah, can't catch quack, you catch in shot.
I know 6 that. This is 6. Right, now 6. Tell us if we come at you.
Yeah, my viewers, as you can see, all along this stretch, yeah, it's all about sweet potato, my people. Yeah, inside the row here, something is gonna plant inside the row here. So yeah, don't know it's all about farming.
Some sweet corn.
Some sweet corn.
Yeah, which is right.
Yeah. Some sweet corn is gonna be in the mids here. What you mean, man? And that we say, no farming we say, man. Eat what you grow, grow what you eat, yeah?
Right.
Make your food be your medicine be your food. That's true, man. You're gonna die. Simple as that, man. Really. So yes, my viewers, it's all about to soon get some rain. As you can see the sky. Yeah, set up for rain. So you don't know. Okay, yeah, the first part there.
Yeah.
Go over there, go take a look. Yeah, man. Okay, my viewers, this side is lately plant. Alright, here as you can see, just started to grow. This side is lately plant. Yeah. So in a couple weeks time, we're gonna have a lot of leaves on all these sweet potato here. Alright. So yes, my viewers, over here, yeah, just need a little more water on them and them Ghana road. Alright. So yes, my viewers, you don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, it's all about the farming revolution. Alright, so don't touch that dial, stick around to see what's going on next. Alright, my viewers. Yes, my viewers, it's all about water. Yeah, it's all about water. Make a change here. You know, when the rain fall, we have a lot of water here. So you don't know, no potato can plant down here because there's a lot of water travel here. As you can see, right along the line, go right down. Yeah, it's a water line. All right, my viewers. Yeah. Edman. Alright, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, tell me what you're doing right now with the potato slip before plant. You mean wet it in what, natural water?
No, 2020.
Oh, you wet it in 2020? Okay. So you wet the slip in 2020 before plant. So what that do? Yeah, man, tell me what they go on, man. Give me all information, man.
Special ingredients.
Yeah, give me the ingredients them. Because I know I see no salt buckle. I mean, I see no seasoning.
What we use for it? Regnon. Me can't call it. Red now. Me can't call it.
So what it do to the slip? You don't know?
No, sir. You just wet it.
Make it get through faster.
Oh,
Wet it.
I say it catch root faster.
Yeah, it get faster.
Okay, me understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold it.
So it's all about a root grower.
Yeah. And it slip. It take longer for dead.
Oh, oh, the 2020 is a fertilizer.
And a fertilizer, yeah.
Okay,
Hold it.
understand. Alright, Mr. Headman. Wet them, season them up and throw them out. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, it's all about we prepare the slip, wet it in some 2020 liquid, you know, some 30. Yeah, to make it grow faster and make it beer. Yeah. All right, my viewers. It's all about the slip. You know what I mean? I carry the slip go in between the rows them. You know? Yeah. It's all about dropping out the slip.
You see me now, man? 5 way 2 we have to do.
Yeah, man. It's all about dropping out the slips. The potato, the sweet potato slip. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we are heat it up.
Oh.
Set them good. We start drop out.
Okay.
You know, no problem.
Yeah, me understand.
You can't just scrape up on the ganja.
Yeah. So put them in order.
Put them in order, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers. Put them in order before dropping out.
Yeah. Rain are coming up.
The rain is gonna fall, man. The sky is black.
Good weather evening. Not bad evening, good weather evening.
For real. Yeah, man, it's all about the dropping of the potato slip. Drop them 2-2. Yeah? Alright, Mr. Livingston upon it.
Yeah, man.
Come in, Mr. Brown. Fast car.
Yes, I dem a drop out them.
Oh, them a drop out.
I planting, you know?
Yeah, oh, use the money plant.
Me no know me bridging pockets so full like you have something in it for me, you know?
Where's my pocket? Where's my pocket, man? What is? Oh.
It's all about dropping off the
Yeah,
potato
right,
slip.
you know?
Yeah. 2 each down the line, about a foot apart. Yeah, 12-inch apart. Yeah. It's all about planting sweet potato, yeah. So before planting, it's wetting some substance called 2020. Yeah, it's all about it's a fertilizer, you know. It's a root growing product, you know what I mean. So when you plant it, it grow faster, it bursts root faster, you know what I mean. So yeah, our viewers and subscribers, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. So don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, alright? So yes, my people, it's all about farming, alright? So if you want to watch the next video, you can watch this video over here, alright? So yes, my viewers and subscribers, it's all about thank you for watching, alright? My name is Everton. Peace. I'm out.